juice. Well, I had to make it in the blender, so it's not the same. Yum. So, I'm on my break, and I came to lay in bed and read, which is super bizarre for me. I don't do that, at least not inside of the sheets in the middle of the day. Usually I'll just read or hang out on the couch. But for some reason, this is what my heart wanted. Sorry about that noise. That's my humidifier machine thing. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to reading. I feel like this is gonna be a bit of a short vlog. Not shorter than my 30 seconds, but I do have a 30-second vlog. I just realized, oops. Oh! I just realized I've been off work for like a little over 2 hours and I haven't vlogged. I forgot. I'm cooking.